Hi everyone, it's Marina, the Beauty BFF. I'm going to share with you a beauty look inspired by Tiny Diamond from Trolls World Tour movie. Make sure to like my video and subscribe to my channel. You'll need a blow dryer and a round brush, a styling product, a flexible hairspray, and a comb with some hair ties. I am sectioning the crown area out of the way, and I'm going to tie everything below that with a hair tie. Now I'm going to work with that crown section, spraying my styling product, and I'm going to use a round brush to blow dry it forward towards my face. And that way, when I flip the hair back, it is going to give me the most maximum volume. When blow drying your hair, make sure to start in the front and push everything forward, and then work your way back. I'm going to use my flexible hairspray and spray at the roots, and I'm going to start from the back of the crown area, and I'm going to back comb my hair, making sure that I'm back combing from the back of that subsection, so behind the subsection. And I'm combing from the mid section of the hair and combing it all the way down to the roots. Alright, now that I have everything back home on that crown area, I'm going to mold that shape. So I'm spraying some more hairspray, back combing a little bit more, and just really just shaping it in and spraying more hairspray to keep it in shape. For the makeup look, I'm using a cream frosty eyeshadow, and I'm just using my fingers here to blend it in. And I will be using a brown liquid eyeliner. You can use black if you like, but I'm using brown here to give myself a winged eyeliner. This is my favorite part of the makeup look. This is the Starlit Studio glitter gel, and you can apply this on your hair or on your skin, and I am going to apply under my eyes here and all over the cheekbones. It is going to give me that nice glittery look that Tiny Diamond has. For some more glitter, I'm going to use Huda Beauty Sparkling Lip Balm in Seductress, and this has a nice coconut scent to it. I love to use it because it is very hydrating and it gives you some of that glitter. To finish off my tiny diamond beauty inspired look, I'm going to finish it off with some glasses here. And here we go. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.